Anyhow, so I'm gonna make this video real quick. If you have a Dyna-Glo heater and it just stops working, you can still hear it trying to get ready to go, but like you just hear the spark, nothing else happens at that point, and it shuts down after a while, and it does not blow, no flames, no nothing. Well, you might take the top off and think that the fan is bad, okay, but it's not on most cases. All right, so you got see how easy that's spinning right there? Bearings are good. Before I took the back section off the pump, I could I had to grab these and push them to get it, and it would just stop instantly. Well, when I took it apart, I seen that there was a thick layer. You can see it down there. You see all that of buildup on both sides of the pump, and it wasn't letting the paddles fling out. They were stuck in their position, and it was so much that it actually was not letting the pump itself at all, or move, the fan move, or it pump. So yeah, it's pretty simple. You got essentially you got two Phillips heads that run in right here on the top of the pump and the bottom of the pump, and then you got little paddles that hold on, let me get this into place, that sit inside of here, there. And what I did to clean them was, first I scraped the majority of the stuff off of both this face, the wheel, and then that housing there. And well, and then after I got that all cleaned up, I took and basically soaked a rag with some gasoline, and then cleaned it all off. It wipes right off, and then I'm gonna put it back together, and this sucker will run. I mean, and then you got this housing here. There's 6 bolts on top of it, and then you got 4 bolts that are on top of this air filter, and then you got your pressure gauge, and then your top here. I hope this helps somebody out. Like, subscribe, it helps me. Thank you.